This Key Allegro Real Estate property video is presented by John Kidwell. Duplex with renovations/restoration just completed and ready for your tenants. Coastal upstairs and downstairs duplex unit on separate electric meters, with single gas and water meter. These were used for fishermen lodging connected with a guide service, so there are plenty of beds and large screen TV. Live in one and rent the other, have 2 income producing units. Fenced yard for children and your furry friends. Short-term and long-term rentals are allowed in the sweet deal close to boat ramp, Goose Island State Park, the big tree, and only a couple of blocks from the bayfront. You can watch the whooping crane down the street too. Come take a look. For more information, review the details below or contact John Kidwell at 361-729-3691.